Randy Satisfizer here, back with this 22 long rifle conversion kit. It's the CMMG 22 conversion kit. Here's how it is. I literally just got off my front porch. The people at UPS just dropped it down. Exactly how I obviously cut the top open, but haven't even taken out the package yet. So here's how the package will be if you buy this package from the fine folks at Palmetto State Armory. I ordered it probably Saturday, and it's only Tuesday, and it came already, right? So for 150 bucks, I had like a daily deal. 150 bucks, I got it. So you got the bolt, you'll get the magazine and 2 other magazines. So the bolt and 3 mags. On the back, it'll tell you how to install it. It's really simple. You can read the warnings here if you like. I'll keep it here so you can pause it if you choose. I'll put it back so you can actually read that if you choose to read that. So I think it was a fantastic deal. 150 bucks to make my 5.56 caliber AR-15 a 22. Heck yeah! Because what can I do with it? I can train the same way that I train with my primary rifle, but I'm saving money because I'm not wasting money on wasting all of my 5.56 and 223 rounds, which are X amount of dollars, right? And I can buy, let's do the math. I did the math. So I can get 200 rounds of 5.56 from Academy Sports for $130. I just got 500 rounds from Palmetto for $39, right? And you can go to Walmart for 325 rounds and it'll charge you like $22, right? It makes sense. I got 5 to 10 times the amount of training with this 22 ammo compared to probably a couple boxes or a few boxes of this 5.56. Well, no, if it's an equal amount of rounds, so 500 rounds here, I've got so much more training for 40 bucks opposed to 500 rounds of 223. You do the math, that's probably what, $300 something dollars. So $300 for 500 rounds of 5.56 or $40 for 500 rounds of 22. It's like a common sense. You might as well do it. So let's go ahead and take out 2 that we have. It's different magazines than I've seen in some of the other review videos I've seen. I guess this is a new one. I guess so. We'll test it out at the range, but that's the second mag. 1, 2, 3 magazines and bolt. If there's anything else to read. Yeah, so it has installation instructions, cleaning and maintenance, all that jazz. You can read there, just in case you want to pause it. So yeah, that's the packaging of it. Let's take a look at the actual bolt. It is spring loaded. Pretty cool. Has its cap on there. Let me take the rubber cap off. I don't need that. And as you see, the front of it is shaped like a cartridge. So obviously the 22 round will line up and it'll be fed just like a 223 or 5.56 would be fed, because this will go right in the chamber like normal. It's feeling pretty good. One of the drawbacks that I've heard of shooting the 22 through this is that it's really, really dirty. I think the 22 round is dirty anyway. I don't shoot mine much. I have plenty of 22 long rifles. I just don't shoot it. Like I'm just not that much of a fan. But they say it's going to dirty up your rifle a lot. So what I saw people recommending is when you get done shooting your 22 long rifle rounds through it, go ahead and shoot about 5 or 10 of your 223 or 5.56 rounds through it. It'll help kind of blow out some of that 22 gook. Now, it's not really that much gook. I mean, it's probably a little bit of carbon, a little bit of whatever, but it's not that big of a deal. You clean your barrel every day anyway, or every time you shoot anyway, right? So what's the big deal? So I just think when you have so much fun, you're going to shoot so many rounds through it, so it's going to get a little bit dirty. So that's one of the drawbacks. It's going to be dirty. They also say it's not recommended to leave it in your weapon primarily. So just after you're done shooting, go ahead and take it out, put your normal bolt carrier group back in it. It's not really made to just stay in it. I don't see how that would be a negative. It's just going to sit there like a normal bolt carrier group. So I don't see why people are saying it says to not leave it there. But those are recommendations, I reckon. So it's easy. You open the pin up, pull that charge handle a bit, take out your normal bolt carrier group for your AR-15. Go ahead and insert this 22, just like so. Close it up on left hand, so I open it. I do my stuff a little bit different. Mash the pin in, and it should be set, right? There we go. So as you see, it doesn't go back all the way. It doesn't need to. I mean, when you insert the magazine, it's only that much that's going to be needed to get that round in the chamber, not that much. So let's go ahead and insert the magazine. Do it upside down, and I'm left-handed, so it's a little harder for me to do these things on camera. As you see, the bolt lock back because that magazine is in there. The only thing holding that bolt back is that folder, and it does not have like a bolt hold back. So once I drop, the magazine is going to fall just like that. So there's no actual locking mechanism for the bolt. So if you were trying to lock it, I can't see what I'm saying. See what I'm doing? Here we go. If you're trying to lock it back using your parts on your rifle, it's not gonna work because that's one of the features that does not keep going with it. But do you need that? No. I mean, who cares? So let's try it. Let me look at it first. Let's see. It's my first time even putting it in. Pretty cool. So a 25 round magazine is what this is. It comes with it, the package. And I can rock with it, especially if it's gonna work. And we're gonna go to the range and test it out as well. So here it is inside the weapon. Looks pretty good. I can rock with it. So any complaints so far? No, I mean, I haven't shot with it. With all the reviews I've seen so far, it looks pretty good. And I put this little touchpad on here. I changed out my flashlight to this crimson trace light. I need to do a review on that as well, so I need to focus on that too. But they haven't had any problems with it so far. So as a training tool, I'll say 100%. It's worth the investment to get it, so you don't have to burn through a lot of your 5.56 rounds. You can train a lot with these little boxes of 22 long rifle round. I mean, this little box, let's say $39, $40. You can't beat it. Like it's worth it. So we're gonna go to the range. We're gonna test it out, see how it fares, see how we love it, and we'll go from there. All right, at the range, we're gonna test it out. So here's that 22 long rifle conversion kit in there. The range, I'm gonna have to sit down and shoot, but that's fine. I'm gonna shoot this Thunderbolt ammo. I have these 25 round mags loaded up. So let's see how it goes. Usually the magazine in there, the bolt holds open, like I mentioned. Take the magazine out and close it up. Let's bring it home and see how it goes, or see how it went. At 25 yards, that's the minimum here in this range. We can do it. All right, so let's keep it going. It'll take time to turn the camera on and show the target. It's going to come show itself. You can see a little bit of that red area there. 65 feet. So looking at the magazine. Well, I was curious if the ammo will hold up. So there
still running. My flashlight's still working, which it is. A little malfunction there. Drop the magazine. Pull the round out. I blame the ammo on that. I don't blame the item. Third magazine is done. That one issue. Not that bad. Of that 22, you got that little blowback coming on my arm, my face. Not used to that because I don't shoot my 22 much, but there it was in that. What then? Let's take it out, see how dirty it looks. So, not. It's got a little brown powder. Not that bad. Not that bad. Not bad. I'm putting my next rifle next. Let's see how it goes. I moved the magazine again, but I tried on my wife's rifle. Also testing out this flashlight that I put on with the touchpad, so we'll see how this goes. So I tried it on my Colt, worked well. I also had that one little that speed shelf did not strap the way it should have, and it was suppressed in both a little bit, pulled it out, went ahead and kept on shooting. One drawback that I see is that it's kind of tough in loading, which is similar to other 22 caliber magazines, but it's not too bad. It's good. You see it has a little notch to kind of help you assist if you want to angle it in that way. It's not that big of a deal, but the magazines are sturdy. Sturdy like the PMAG, but actually it's 22, so it's a little bit. A lot of it smaller up top in terms of where the rounds go. So that's it compared to the PMAG. That's pretty cool. I'm liking it so far. I can see how this is going to be a beneficial training tool for me, and I'm excited for more. If I can finish loading these magazines, at least this one. I'm not going to load them all again. That's going to take forever. Maybe that's going to be off camera, but I wanted you to see the loading process. Yeah, I do 22 rounds of loading. Feel it's a bit dirty. I don't know how many I loaded so far. Again, this is that 30 bullet ammo. And just shoot what I have. This is the new lower that I put on my wife's rifle that I pushed last time in one of my videos. This is that PSA lower. You see how this pairs as well. So I'm going to make this light. Make sure it still works. Actually, the recoil is not much with the 22, so the light's probably going to work, which it still does. Straight through those rounds in that mag, and the light still holds up, so that's good as well. So far so good with these magazines, with this 22 long rifle conversion kit. Haven't seen any troubles other than that one issue, but I'm gonna keep on shooting it. I don't think it's a problem with the item, it's more of these little rounds. So 22, it's not much, and I'm excited for it. It's that easy. Take it in and out. Matter of fact, to show you, I'm going to put this normal 5.6 barrel in here. Sorry, 4 carriages in here. Go ahead and shoot some of these rounds or roll out some of that good. And test out the light with this power recoil. know, so far so good with the 22. Just left the range, and I think it held up pretty well so far. What, 5 magazines in, and had just that one little hiccup, but I see it as a really good training tool. I'm excited for it. So stay tuned for the rest of the video.
All right, so that's a wrap on the CMMG 22 long rifle conversion kit. Here it is. I cleaned her off the best I could. Obviously, it looks a little bit dark on the end due to firing it, but still holding up pretty well. Everything still seems as sturdy as it did, and I'm excited. I'm pleased with it so far. I think I fired 4 to 5 magazines so far through both of my rifles. So using this for 4 to 5 magazines, it is still being reliable. It still has not caused me any issues other than that one thing, but I don't blame this. I blame the ammunition, which was that Thunderbolt, but I like it. It's cool. Cheap. I went ahead and loaded up my magazines again for the next time we go. So yes, I do recommend this conversion kit so that you can save money at the range, have fun plinking, have fun doing your thing, have fun training and improving. So check it out. Go pick one up. I'll probably get another one and make it a dedicated, one of my rifles a dedicated 22, or maybe just get another, because you think about it, if you have a rifle, you can just buy this for $150 and convert your rifle to a 22 opposed to spending another $400 or $500 on a whole separate rifle. I don't know, things to think about. So I'm pleased with it. Can't wait to get back to the range again. Y'all like, subscribe, comment if you like this content. Many more videos to come. Y'all stay tuned.